3. Examples of total internal reflection. A. Using prisms as mirrors. The multiple reflections of glass mirrors form faint and unclear images due to multiple reflections. A prism, on the other hand, reflects light by total internal reflection. The image is clearer and brighter, since there is no multiple reflections. As the angle of incidence is 45 degrees, larger than the critical angle of glass, which is 42 degrees, total internal reflection occurs. Prisms are used in binoculars, telescope, and other optical instruments that require high-quality images. The principle of prismatic reflector is also found in headlight reflectors and cat's eyes. B. Diamonds. A diamond sparkles by successive total internal reflections of light from its top. Total internal reflections take place more easily in diamond than in glass because diamond has a much larger refractive index and hence a much smaller critical angle. C. Optical fibers. Light travels through optical fiber by successive total internal reflections. Optical fiber has a layer of cladding, which has a lower refractive index than that of glass, allowing total internal reflection inside the glass core, and it also protects the core from dirt and damage. Optical fiber provides higher data rate as light of different colors may share the same fiber. Lighter, thinner, and cheaper, and yet stronger optical fiber also provides less transmission loss over long distances. Lastly, no interference of light signal may occur. Other than communication, inspection tools such as endoscope also make use of optical fiber. Example 8. Use of cladding in optical fibers. Take a look of Part A. See what happened to an optical fiber without cladding when the dirt accidentally attached to the outside of the glass core. D. Mirage. Mirage is common in desert. The air near the ground is hotter as the ground is hot. Light is refracted successively by layers of air of different temperatures, and is totally reflected to our eyes eventually. The light seems to come from the ground far away, and it looks like a reflection as the image is inverted. E. Fish-eye view. If you are underwater and look above, you will see everything above water surface or squeezed into a small circular disc, while beyond the disc it is the reflection of the seabed. This is called fish-eye view. The circular disc is the base of a cone with an angle of 98 degrees, which is double of the critical angle of water, 48.75 degrees. Have you seen a fluorescent writing board? It is also operated by total internal reflection. Light from the source is reflected successively inside the glass plate, but leaks where there is a fluorescent ink. A brilliant design. Try checkpoint 6 on the next page.
An endoscope consists of an optical fiber cable with a small light source and a video camera at one end. The cable is flexible and can be inserted into the human body to enable the doctor to examine internal organs. The endoscope is inserted through the mouth into the patient's stomach. It first passes through the throat and the esophagus. The endoscope then enters the stomach. It can be bent to examine different parts of the stomach. A cable with a hook at one end can be inserted through the endoscope into the stomach to take samples of the bad tissues of an ulcer for examination.